Building Engagement Part 2.
What excites your child the most? Popular sensory activities include playing with water, blowing bubbles, using water paints, shaving foam, or clay. The key here is not to give instructions or try to teach. Avoid saying things like blue foam or there are 4 bubbles. Instead, focus on having fun and getting involved in whatever your child wants to do. It may sound like hard work, but once you get it right, the rewards are truly worth it.
Many parents worry when their child isn't sitting and following instructions in a session. But engagement isn't about compliance. It's about connection. Children learn best when they feel safe, understood, and respected. When we follow their lead and acknowledge their needs, we create an environment where interaction grows naturally. This is the second in a 4-part series on building engagement from Communiverse India. In the earlier one, we understood the importance of observing your child to understand their interests and joining in activities that they like. Here, we'll see how small but powerful strategies like parallel talk, respecting a child's hunger cues, and allowing exploration help build deeper, more sustained engagement over time. Engagement and interaction cannot be forced. It happens when children feel safe and understood. Parallel talk is powerful. Even when the child is not responding verbally, continue talking about what they are doing and seeing. That builds comprehension, engagement, and communication skills over time. Respecting the child's needs strengthens engagement. Midway through the session, Shanvi is hungry. Instead of forcing her to complete an activity first, the therapist encourages her to eat while engaging her in conversation. Many parents worry that a session is wasted if a child eats during it, but this is part of engagement too. In the early days, children may run around and explore. Gaurav ran around the therapy room, touching every toy. This is natural. Restricting it can create resistance. A simple strategy. Keep toys out of plain sight to encourage more focused engagement. In this video, we learned that engagement happens when a child feels heard, respected, and supported. Stay tuned for Part 3, where we will delve deeper into understanding how to develop the skill of staying engaged for extended periods.